Hi guys, it's Lindo here. I'm back again. So today we'll be doing I will be doing the breakdown analysis of Usdcad, right? I'll be doing the breakdown analysis of Usdcad. So if you can check here, on a monthly time frame, right? On a monthly time frame, if you can check, the structure of the market is still on an uptrend, right? So when the market is on an uptrend, you always look for it. You always look for buy opportunities, right? So I'm on a monthly time frame. If you can check on a monthly time frame, I have this support area here, and also this support over here. So every time when the market is at a level, we all know that there are two things involved. It's either the market will break that level or will reverse at that level. So it's very, very important of us to consider what we call the price action. So what is the price action? A price action is just the study of how prices behave in a certain level, right? So on a monthly, you will be identifying all your obvious support and resistance on your monthly time frame. You will be identifying all your obvious support and resistance on a monthly time frame, because remember, always we're doing what? We're doing the top-down analysis. Top-down analysis is whereby we're starting from the higher time frames to the lower time frame, because when you analyze, you don't just focus on a single time frame, but you focus on multiple time frame, so that you can get a clear picture of the market where the overall direction is heading, right? So if you can check here on a monthly time frame, right, I will be using this okay. If you can check here this point, which is 1,20524, 1,20524, it was a support level. And remember, at a support level, you look for what? You look for buy opportunities, right? And then if I check here, over here, you can clearly see we have what? We have on a monthly time frame, we have the bullish engulfing bar. A bullish engulfing bar, as the market was going down from 1,46568 up until 1,20524. And then we found what? The formation of a bullish engulfing bar. What does it indicate? It indicates that the market will reverse the trend at that support level, right? So I will be expecting the market to continue going up, right? Because on a monthly time frame, we have a reversal candlestick pairing, which is a bullish engulfing bar, right? We have a reversal candlestick pattern, which is a bullish engulfing bar, right? So it's very, very important of you to also consider the reversal pattern or the continuation pattern at a support or resistance level, because they are the one which will tell you whether the market will break that level or will reverse at that level, right? Meaning on Usdcad, I think even this month will still be bullish. Even this monthly candlestick will close as bullish, right? So another thing, guys, when you are checking this reversal candlestick pattern, you can't check them on 1 hour, or you can't check them on 1 minute, guys. When you check the reversal pattern, you always use higher time frames, because on a higher time frame there's no too much noise. So that's why I most of the time I do prefer trading higher time frames, because the market is behaving on higher time frames, right? So you can't just check a bullish engulfing bar on 1 minute chart. You will always get false signals. So if you wanna check for reversal candlestick pattern, you can use 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month. These are the only time frame where you will be checking where you will be checking your reversal patterns. And if you can check here, also here where there is my arrow, there was an engulfing bar here, and then the market reversed, right? So it's very, very important to focus on high time frame, right? Unless you are a scalp. So as the market is reversing at this level, I'm expecting for it to come here, to come and retest what? And retest this order block. So meaning I will buy Usdcad up until where? I will buy a Usdcad up until this order block over here. So that will be my first take profit on a monthly time frame. Then my second take profit is what is this point over here, which is 1,29628, right, which is our resistance level, because that level was broken before, so it's no longer support but it's the resistance. So that will be my second take profit. And then moving to a weekly chart. Moving to a weekly chart, and then on a weekly I will be also identifying all my obvious support and resistance, right? So on weekly I will be also identifying all my obvious support and resistance. So if we can check on weekly, if you can check, remember on a month we have this support, which is 1,20524, right? If you can check on weekly, there was a lot of rejection at this point. And if you can check, the length of the candlestick will keep on decreasing, like the bearish candlestick, the length of the bearish candlestick will keep on decreasing. So what does that indicate? It indicates that the sellers are losing power, right? So there's a lot of rejection, so it's another indication that the market will reverse at that level. So if you can check over here, I'm having this point here, which is 1,23708, right? This point, it was the last it was the last lower low before the market have reached this support level, which is 1,20524, right? So if you can check here, this long bullish candlestick, this long bullish candlestick, it broke what? It broke this previous previous lower low, right? And then the previous week candlestick, and then it retested what? It retested this previous lower low. So I will also put my buy stop over here. I will also put my buy stop over here. That will be my fourth entry. I will put a buy stop over here because this was the first candlestick that have retested that broken level. So I will be placing my buy stop at the high of that candlestick, right? Okay, let me check. And then if you can check it over here, I also have what? I also have the trend line breakout over here. I also have a trend line breakout. This arrow candlestick is the one that broke above that diagonal resistance. As I said before, there are many ways in which you can use a trend line. The first way, you can use it for entry and exit. The second way, you can also spot what the trend reversals, right? So if you can check here, there is what? There is a breakout on that trend line. Ne? So it's an indication that on a weekly chart, this is the beginning of what? This is the beginning of an uptrend, right? It's just the beginning of what? Of an uptrend. So if you can also check, there is a channel on the weekly chart, that the breakout of that channel. So I'm expecting Usdcad to continue to go up, right? Then moving to day one. Okay. There is this order block over here at what? At 1,22810, right? There was a breakout on that order block. This candle, this arrowed one, was the one who broke above that order block, and then this candlestick, this one, is the first candlestick which have retested that order block, right? The first candlestick that have retested that order block. So it also rejected and closed above. Then I placed my buy order, right? And then, so meaning I'm expecting on a daily chart, I'm expecting Usdcad to push until we're up until 1,26540, right? Moving to 4 hour. On 4 hour, we also have this resistance over here. We also have this resistance over here. And then if you can check on 4 hour, there is a consolidation over here on 4 hour. If the market consolidates at a level, it's meaning 90% of the time it will break that level. So that's why I'm already on a buy. So meaning on 4 hour I will buy up until that above resistance.